Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Hoover washing machine. Now, how do you do this? You can do this by running it in the self-test mode. And most time it works. Now, what to do is this. Press and hold the leftmost first button of washing machine. The leftmost first button of the washing machine. In most cases, it is the option button. Or in modern machines, locate the first button. So press and hold that button. Press it, then come to the program selector knob here. Usually it should be on the off mode, which is the center. It should be turned in the center like this, with the indicator pointing upwards. Now, while you're holding on that button, the first button, turn the program selector knob from the off position 2 steps in the clockwise direction. This way, clockwise, 2 steps. Now, after 3 seconds, and make sure it doesn't pass 5 seconds, that you have turned the selector knob, now release the first button. If you have done that correctly, you will notice that all the LED lights will be switched on simultaneously, all at once. Then press the start or the pause button to start the self-test mode. And that process will help you put everything back to a factory reset. That's basically the simple way to do that. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.